What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Trippin' Ain't Easy here. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're crushing life, as they say. We're hungry. So me and the missus, we're going to go to Sushi King and grab some sushi. It's restaurant week here in Virginia Beach. And, fuck, we're not going to restaurant week. No. We're not going to restaurant week restaurant. We're going to go get some Sushi King anyway. So, you guys can tag along. Alright, so we're here. Sushi King, probably can't see it. It's our favorite sushi spot. Come here like what? A few times a month? Take a minute. Come here like a few times a month. All you can eat. Just take a look at the menu. So here's the menu. Got all kind of goodies here. Got your classic rolls, your hand rolls. We got kitchen entrees and shit. Chef specials. Yeah. So we found this place after trying a sushi joint at off of Lynn Haven. And then we were like, let's see if there's any more around here. So we checked this place out. We tried all the sushi joints around the area, and this one is like the best. So we normally start out with like appetizers first, and then we'll do other things. And yeah. So we're waiting for the food to show up. Figured I'd tell you a little about the channel. So we are travel vloggers. You know, me and the wife, we like to travel all around the world. You know, eat at different restaurants, things like that. So we decided that we'd vlog it and document it for you guys. So some of the things coming to the channel, we got a drone coming to the channel. We're going to buy one of those for some footage. We like kayaking. We got some good kayaking spots around here. We often go over to Europe, England, Ireland. So we're going to have some trips to there. We have a trip planned for Vegas later this year. We also have a trip to a limestone cave in Kentucky coming in a few months. So if you're into that kind of stuff, give this video a like, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Yes, I have my own chopsticks. We eat here so much, I decided to buy my own set. So I had to go bougie, and I bought a pair of actual real silver chopsticks. There you go, check them out. Get comments on them all the time. Not always compliments, people just comment on it. It's kind of funny. So we got some pepper tuna tataki here. Very delicious. Some crab bites, also one of the favorites. Wife enjoys her avocado salad. I've also got some crab wontons, some gyoza dumplings, and some elote jalapeno. Hey, get out of there. Time for round two. Yeah.
What can I do for you?
Let me get a. I know. All right. Look at this. We get a Philadelphia hand roll, a spicy tuna hand roll, and crazy monkey. The Ichiban, the Aloha. I almost forgot what it was called. And then can I get a hibachi steak, no rice?
You said you want the Hawaii roll? Is that what you said that?
Yep.
Okay. What's that anything, man?
Oh, we're sharing. I'm not that fat. We're sharing it.
I was saying, just making sure. It should be out shortly.
Gotcha. Cool.
Everything else should be out shortly.
All
I'll
right.
give you a refill, too.
Cool. Thank you, sir. Got that hibachi steak, baby. Look at that. Wow. Get out of there. She's always taking my mushroom. Oh, now she's taking my onions. Look at that.
You're welcome.
You want an onion? You want a mushroom? Brown. Now, look at that. Look at that sushi goodness. So, we got our Philly cheese roll. Got your spicy tuna. Got your Ichiban right there. Got your crazy monkey. Which I got a fried banana in that bitch. And then you got the Hawaii roll. It's got this pineapple wrap. That jank is banging, son. Highly recommend all of that. Only thing with the Hawaiian rolls, you gotta watch out because they put the tail in there. Ooh, what is this? Ice cream, Lieutenant Dan, ice cream.
Mini one.
And of course, no sushi experience could be complete without the volcano roll. Huh? Look at that. You want one? Good, you can't hand out. It's mine. Well, it's gonna do it for us. I can't eat no more. But damn, is it good. All right, folks. Appreciate you hanging out with us. Always remember, tripping ain't easy, but it sure is fun.